ASMR for today's lesson. So, for today's lesson, it's gonna be about adverbs and adverbials. Okay. So, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Putting a word in front of a noun can help you indicating an adjective. Adverb has only one word. If it is more than one word, it is no longer an adverb. It is called adverbial phrases because a phrase does not have one word. You get what I mean? I sound psychotic, guys. Okay. So an adverb is just only one word. If it's more than one word, it is no longer an adverb. It is called a phrase. They're basically the same thing, but one is one word. The former is one word, and the latter is more than one word. The types of So there are four types of adverbs: time, place, manner, and degree. I shall go one by one. So time, if you use tomorrow in your sentence like ever, if you never use the word tomorrow, just please kill yourself. So the word tomorrow, if you want to know which category does it lie to, it is actually an adverb. But to make it more specific, which category of adverb? It is adverb for time. So buy me PS4 tomorrow. Tomorrow is an adverb. Today is an adverb too. Next week is considered as an adverb too. Okay? Another adverb category is place. So if you ever use the word elsewhere or anywhere, there, indoors, or nearby, these words are actually adverbs. And to make it more specific, what kind of adverbs are they? They are adverb for place. Okay? Because you kind of want to know where it is. Mind waiting for me? Where? Elsewhere? Anywhere? Indoor? Something like that. Third category is manner. They can somehow change the spelling of the word when you add ly as the suffix. So for example, comfortably, the root word for comfortably is comfortable, ends with an e. So comfortable, if you end it with an e, you need to remove the e. We don't need it. We don't need e in our lives. Why would you want e in your lives? Get off of me. So now you remove the e, you just add ly, and your spelling is now good. Number 2, if the word ends with a vowel sound, you know what a vowel is? Don't tell me you don't know. What are you? I want to judge you right now. Why don't you know what is a vowel? Kidding. So a vowel is A-I-O-U, right? So even though happy ends with Y and you want to say that Y is a consonant, no, it does not sound like a consonant. It sounds like a vowel. A-E-I-E-E-E, happy. Remember? So it is a vowel sound. If the word ends with a vowel sound, you need to replace Y with I. So instead of H-A-P-P-Y-L-Y, happily, when you add L-Y at the end, it becomes H-A-P-P-I-L-Y. There you go. Magic. So enthusiastic. It ends with consonant. Enthusiastic. Okay, consonant. So consonant sound, when it ends with a consonant sound, you need to add another letter, which is an A. Enthusiastically. Have you ever heard someone said enthusiastically? If that person say like that, please don't friend with them. They are bad people, guys. So enthusiastically, when you want to add ly at the end, make sure you add another letter, which is an A, because it ends with a consonant sound. That's very important. And manner describes how you do something. So the verb here is ran. So how Jason ran quickly. How you cook. Professionally. How you talk. Loudly. Okay, make sure the adverb that you use must be one word loudly. So if it is more than one word, it is now adverbial phrases. Degree is the frequency. Like, is it extreme? Is it really, really big? The size? Almost there? Okay, the degree of doing something. So extremely here is an adverb too. Okay, this is a mistake, okay? Large is the adjective, not the belly. All right. So when you want to describe and modify the adjective, like large, how large it is. So the degree of large is extreme, but you cannot end it with e because an adverb need to have ly at the end. Okay? So extremely large. So now adverbial phrases. I know that you already forget about it. So it's just a longer version of a one word adverb. So previously it's only one word, but now we have more than one word because now it's a phrase. Duh. So adverb time. When, right? We will escape tomorrow. Tomorrow is the time. But you want to make it a little bit longer because you want to change it to a phrase form in the morning. Now you have three words. It becomes a phrase. It still indicates the time. The completed sentence before that particular adverb or adverbial phrase is the same. We will escape. You just add the adverb. When will you escape? Tomorrow. When we will escape? In the morning. Okay? Place. Where is it? You just answer the WH question to know whether it answers the place or time. If it is place, the WH question here is where, right? Emmeline is very popular where? Here. Is it when? When Emmeline is very popular? Does it make sense? Here is the answer? No. So if the question where Emmeline is very popular, if the answer is here, makes sense. So it is adverb for place. Same goes to adverbial phrase. When, does it make sense? If you answer it when Emmeline is very popular in our town, does it answer the question? No. So where Emmeline is very popular in our town, so it answers the question of where. Therefore, it is an adverbial place. Same goes to manner, how you do it. Soundly is just one word adverb, but like a baby is a phrase. But they still describe and modify the verb, how you do it. Manner, bear in mind how you do it. That's the manner of it. Degree, extremely, remember one word, extremely. But you want to make it in a phrase form, meaning extreme, you make it longer to an extreme extent. Now you have 4 words. Let's do it together. Okay, you have done this with me in the class just now, but I will try to do it with you right now just in case in the future you want to watch this video again and you kind of forget. Okay, number 1, turn these adjectives into adverbs. I will just answer one question each. I mean A. So wary ends with a wary, a vowel sound, right? So when a vowel sound, you need to substitute Y with an I. Remember, happy? So you just change and or substitute Y with an I and then you can add ly, warily, something like that. Remember the rules that I taught you in the previous slides? Okay, identify the adverbs, whether they are adverb of time, place, manner, or degree. So the first one, yesterday. So remember when I said if you want to know whether it's place, time, manner, or whatnot, you need to answer the question of where, WH question, where, what, how. How is for manner, where is for place, and when is for time. So yesterday, where is it? Yesterday? No. When is it? Yesterday? Yes. So it is an adverb for time. Yesterday is an adverb for time. Lovely. How is it? Lovely. So it answered the question of adverb for manner. Get it? So this one, it is for adverbial phrase. The first one is look at the sentences below and identify the adverbial phrases. So the children followed the trail into the forest. So obviously into the forest is an adverbial phrase because it indicates the place. Where is it? In the forest. So adverbial phrase for place. Okay? That's how you do it. Okay. Number 2, add an adverbial phrase to each of the sentences below. The dog growl. So I try to give you an example of how to add an adverbial phrase of 3 different categories, which are time, place, and manner. So if you want to add an adverbial phrase for time, answering the question of when the dog growl, when the dog growl in the morning. So in the morning is an adverbial phrase for time because it answered the question of when. If you want to change it to make it as an adverbial phrase for place, you can add in front of the porch, the dog growl. The place of the adverbial phrase is not exclusive to be at the back. It can be at the front too, at the front of the sentence. Okay, so in front of the porch, the dog growl. So it answers the question of where the dog growl in front of the porch. So we have a phrase here, more than one word. Okay, it indicates the place. So it is called an adverbial phrase. Last but not least, I try to give one more example of manner. How? Answer the question of how. So the dog growl. How the dog growled? Fiercely, but in a fierce manner, I guess, because if you said fiercely, it's just an adverb. But one we want right now is an adverbial phrase, so it needs to be more than one word. Okay, I think that's all for today's class. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section down below. Stay at home. Bye.